What's going on, guys? It's Decelation. Brian.
What's going on, peeps?
Yeah, and we're back again. I get the feeling this is going to look like a lot of progress today because we're not lifting heavy things today. We're just putting things in trash cans.
Yeah, we're cleaning up and reorganizing.
Yeah.
And the end goal of today is to move said gantry crane into its new home over that door.
Yeah.
So as you can see, there's a few things that haven't moved themselves out of the way yet.
That's going to make that tasking fun.
How many more chances do we need to give these things?
I mean, we've given them like months of time to do this, and they refuse to do it. So I guess it's left up to us. Damn it. All right, stay tuned while we get to work. But on the upside, at least we got a TV.
We do have a TV.
I'm still pretty stoked about that. Welcome back, people. Brian,
What's going on, peeps?
what do we do?
Well, we moved some stuff.
Yeah.
Just a little bit of stuff, but we moved some stuff.
So the gantry crane is over there. You like
Out of the way.
out of the way and still feels open in here. I mean, don't get me wrong, we still gotta move this stuff. But right here, still pull a car in here. And I'm thinking, you know, this may not be a bad place to just turn the crane. There we go. Now you back a car, once we organize that a little bit, back a car in, pull the motor straight out. And that'll lift 2 tons, so that'll pull out a motor out of just about anything that we will work with. It's maybe the engine pulling station. Just a thought. Unless the engine comes out the bottom, and then that's where the lift will come in handy.
We're getting there.
Yeah, it's making some progress.
But now with a little bit more maneuvering stuff around, we actually have room to move scavenger out of the way so these lift at some point can actually be installed.
Mm-hmm. Once we clear out all of this crap, because some of that crap is in the way. Which I just had an idea, like that shelf's not really being used at the moment, so might as well all the electrical stuff that's kind of wouldn't fit on that shelf, toss it on that one.
Yeah, that'll work. We can throw the rest of this shit out. And, or stuff. Sorry, YouTube algorithm. Stuff. We can throw the rest of the stuff out.
We actually have good ratings, surprisingly.
It's pretty amazing.
Who'd have thunk? 2 sailors actually don't have a lot of cursing on our videos.
It's because they watch it on time lapse and can't hear us.
I do kind of speed up that part. So yeah, usually we've calmed down and not as angry by the time we come talk to you guys.
It's a good thing.
Yeah, but
So much time to get up on that top shelf up there and throw all that shit away.
yeah, it's getting there. So are we just putting everything back in, or are we gonna try to take a dent out of this?
Let's just push everything back in. I'm tired.
Sounds like a plan.
It's kind of warm.
It is. Today's kind of warm. Sweating. But yeah, no, that's solid progress today. Very solid progress. We will... Yeah, we're going to call that a wrap.
Yeah, so we'll just move this stuff back in here neatly, and yeah, next time we come in, we'll just move all that stuff, pile it up there until we're tired of looking at it over there, and then we're just going to throw it all away.
I actually might have a lead on that.
Yeah, he's got one shot. Whatever he doesn't take when he gets here is going.
Yep. So may have someone else that's maybe interested. So hope you're interested. We have a lot of stuff for you. But thank you guys for watching. Yeah. Please subscribe. It's gonna get a lot more interesting very soon, right? Once we get this organized, it's back to work on that thing, and that's gonna be fun. But
Because it needs an emergency brake.
it needs more than an emergency brake, Brian. Everyone is focused on the damn emergency brake. It's either the emergency brake or the seats bolted in. That needs to happen too. But yeah.
That means we have to dig all that stuff out of
The trailer.
trailer.
Oh, we gotta unload the trailer before we work on that. I don't have any of the stuff for it.
All right, so we gotta get this stuff organized.
Yeah, we gotta get this organized so we can unload the trailer so we can start working on that. But once this is organized, all it is bring stuff off the trailer and put it where it's supposed to go. That's one day. Because, I mean, we loaded that trailer in, 2 hours?
Oh, yeah, that's true.
So, we'll be back. But thank you, guys. Brian, anything for the people?
Nah. Wait till we actually start doing something more interesting than moving stuff.
Fair enough. Have a good one, guys. Peace.
Take it easy, peeps.